Thank you. Good morning. Today my presentation is about a world-class asphalt recycling technology that was developed right here in British Columbia. It's called multi-stage hot-in-place asphalt recycling. It involves an equipment system that our company manufactures that has the ability to heat, remove, rejuvenate, and relay asphalt pavement in a single pass. The primary benefits of this technology are the reduction in costs and environmental impact associated with repaving roads. So in British Columbia, there's about 54,000 lane kilometers of asphalt paved roads. About half of that are major highways. And these pavements don't last forever. In order to keep them safe and functional, they must be resurfaced every 12 to 20 years. And generally, this involves the application of a new layer, 50 millimeters thick, onto the surface. Conventional resurfacing methods only use on average, about 20% recycled material in these overlays or mill and fills, and they cost about $90,000 per lane kilometer. Our technology recycles the existing 50 millimeter surface. We add about 20% new material, and therefore we have a recycling content of about 80%. And this greatly reduces the cost. It costs about $50,000 per lane kilometer. So we have two divisions. We have a manufacturing division and a contracting division, and there's three of our systems operating in the province. We operate one, and independent contractors that purchase the systems from us operate the other two. There's about 500 lane kilometers per year completed with the system. Just to give you an idea of the quality of the performance of the system, in 2008 and in 2013 we were awarded the Best Paving Contractor of the Year award by the BC Ministry, and this is using our recycling technology to compete against conventional methods. Like I said, this technology was developed in British Columbia. We received a lot of help, technical support, and also projects from the BC Ministry. A great example how private industry and government can collaborate together to create something. There was multiple companies and individuals involved over the years, and it led to the technology we have today. So today we have a proven technology, over 9,000 lane kilometers completed, mostly major highways. We've done 14 airport runways, including in 2012 we recycled the Kelowna International Airport runway. Studies conducted by the BC Ministry have concluded that the technology provides cost savings of up to 50%. The life cycles, or how long it lasts, is comparable to new pavement. It reduces greenhouse gases by 30 to 40% and lane closure time by up to 75%. So the equipment train has 4 machines. The first machine is a preheater, starts the heating process. The second and third machine are called heater millers. They heat and remove the surface. And the final machine is called a pug mill remixer. It adds 20% new materials and a rejuvenating agent to restore the original properties of the recycled pavement. We've developed this unique process. We use infrared heat to heat the pavement, carbide tip rotary augers to windrow the material to the center of the road. And we use this multi-stage process we speak of as where the first heater miller removes a 25 millimeter layer and windrows it. The second heater miller has a conveyor that picks up that material and carries it out of the way so that we can heat and mill down to another depth totaling 50 millimeters, which is unique to this technology in the world. There's no other system that can do this, and we do it at over 3 lane kilometers per day. This chart shows how many loads of new material it takes to resurface 1 lane kilometer of road using conventional methods. And this chart shows how many loads of new material our process uses. So we are conserving these non-renewable paving materials for future generations. Also, we have developed a unique emissions control system. Other systems that from around the world that do this process create a lot of blue smoke, which is not environmentally friendly. We've created this system that vacuums up any emissions created and incinerates them, so we have a clean train going down the road. End product is smooth, consistent, really indistinguishable to look at or drive on from a new paved surface. And these charts show data collected by the BC Ministry. If we exceed the specification, we get a small bonus. This shows the percentage of bonus for all paving and recycling contracts over the last 9 years. The green bars are our process, so you can see that actually for smoothness and density categories, the green bars are the recycling process and the black bars are conventional. So just an indication of the performance of this technology. So the next stage of our company's development, we've been operating as a contractor for a number of years. We've sold a few trains, but now we're focusing on improving our manufacturing capability and marketing capability, and we plan to market these trains around the world. Shown in those pictures and also in this picture is a brand new 2014 ECOPAVER, we call it, that we'll be demonstrating around the province this year. There'll be a couple of demonstration events that we'll invite people from around the world to attend. And if anybody's interested in attending those, they can let me know and I'll make sure you get an invitation. So that's the conclusion of my presentation today.